Welcome to Heather Sindhi Academy. In this video we are preparing for JST Junior Science Teacher और इस वीडियो में जो भी सिलेबस कवर किया जा रहा है वो सिंध टेक्स्ट बुक से है. The question 1 is, what is the good source of vitamin C? The answer is option C, fresh vegetables and fruits are the good source of vitamin C. Question 2, the good source of iodine are, iodine का गुड सोर्स कौन सा है? सी फूड इज द राइट ऑप्शन. द गैस कॉमनली नोन एज लॉफिंग गैस, कौन सी गैस है जो कि लॉफिंग गैस उसको कहते हैं? नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. 4, द सोर्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन फोटोसिंथेसिस इज, ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आता है फोटोसिंथेसिस में? वाटर इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज्ड टू मेजर विंड स्पीड इज, option A, anemometer is the correct option. The natural fats and oil are composed of, natural fats और oil किस चीज़ से बनते हैं? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is the correct option. The energy value of food is measured in calories is the correct option. Wind energy is the what type of energy? The correct option is C, kinetic energy. Who is considered the founder of meteorology? Now what is the meteorology? Meteorology is the scientific study of Earth's atmosphere. So founder of meteorology is option A, Aristotle. Water covers dash percentage of the Earth's surface. The correct option is 71%. In general, wind speed of 10 to 13 km per hour caused minor or no damage. Acidic rain is mainly caused by emission of dash in the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide is the correct option. About 50% of the earth crust, including the water on the earth and atmosphere is, ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है पर इसको अलग तरीके से लिखा गया है. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन आप ज़रूर बताएं. हमने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में इसको 2 बार कवर किया है. The fourth state of matter is, the correct option is D, plasma. The first state of matter is solid, second liquid, third gas and fourth state of matter is plasma. The device which is used to convert AC current into DC current is called rectifier. AC current alternate current को डायरेक्ट करंट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए रेक्टिफायर यूज होता है. In night, when photosynthesis is stopped, plant take in oxygen. Option B is the correct option. Dash or called the powerhouse of the cell. इसका भी आंसर आप बताएं कमेंट सेक्शन में. One of the countries through which equator passes in. Equator is the imaginary line और केन्या is the correct option. और केन्या के साथ 13 और कंट्रीज हैं जिनसे इक्वेटर पास होता है. Copper can be converted into gold by radioactivity, artificial radioactivity rays. The 3 elements needed for healthy growth of plant are NPK. N is for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, K for potassium are very essential elements for the growth of plants. Max Planck received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for his discovery of energy quanta. Option B is the correct option. Bronze medal is the made up of dash metal. It is made up of copper and tin metal. Bronze is the medal. जो भी स्पोर्ट्स की या ओलंपिक्स की गेम्स होती हैं उसमें जो थर्ड पोजीशन पे आता है उनको ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मिलता है और जो सेकंड पोजीशन पे आता है उनको सिल्वर मेडल मिलता है और जो गोल्ड का होता है वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन होल्डर को मिलता है. Addison disease is caused by the deficiency of adrenal and cortisol hormone is the correct option. Hummingbird belongs to the category called Endotherm is the correct option. Human population growth is greatest in developing countries because the birth rate is high in developing countries. So option A is the correct option. Which woody raw material is used for the manufacturing of paper pulp? Option B, poplar is the correct option. Rectified split rectified spirit contains alcohol about 95%. Which of the following element is not present abundantly in earth crust? हम पहले MCQs जो पढ़े थे उसमें हमने वो पढ़ा था कि which is the following element that is abundantly present, पर यहाँ पे है which is not abundantly present, तो option B radium is the correct option. The famous book Al-Qalam was written by the Muslim scientist Abu Ali Sina is the correct option. Basic metals that converted into gold by artificial nuclear radioactivity. Metals can be converted into gold by artificial nuclear radioactivity is the correct option. A light year is the unit of length is the correct option. One of the main functions of Earth's ozone layer is to filter out UV rays. Ultraviolet rays are the correct option. Person with following blood group is considered to be universal recipient. AB positive is the correct option. AB positive वाला A प्लस से भी ब्लड रिसीव कर सकता है, B प्लस से भी, O प्लस से भी, A नेगेटिव से भी, B नेगेटिव से भी, so it is called universal recipient. Study of life in outer space is known as exobiology is the correct answer. The name of the common mineral salt present in sweet is option C, sodium chloride is the correct option. Sensitive layer of the eye is called retina is the correct option. Laughing gas has chemical composition of which two elements? Nitrogen and oxygen. Option C is the correct option. Which gas is used for refining of fruits? Ethylene is the gas which is used for refining of the fruits. The longest bone in the human body is femur is the correct option. Most abundant element in human body is option D, oxygen is the correct option. Instrument used to measure humidity is hygrometer is the correct option. What is the body temperature of normal men? अब यहाँ पे जो बॉडी टेम्परेचर्स हैं वो डिग्री सेल्सियस में दिए गए हैं, हमने पढ़ा है फ़ारेनहाइट में, तो यहाँ आप बताएं कि 97 फ़ारेनहाइट जो कि नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर है वो डिग्री सेल्सियस में कितना होगा? Which of the following helps in clotting of the blood? Vitamin K helps in clotting of the blood. Option D is the correct option. Red blood corpuscles are formed in bone marrow. Option B is the correct option. Tibia is the bone found in leg. तो आपको बोन्स के रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपको याद होने लाजमी है. The largest part of human brain is cerebrum is the correct option. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium phosphorate is the correct option. Option B. The main constituent of hemoglobin is iron is the correct option. The main function of the kidneys is, what is the main function of kidney? इसका भी आप correct option comment section में बताएं. The function of hemoglobin is transport of oxygen is the correct option. Which of the following glands secrete tears? Lacrimal is the correct option. Which is the largest gland in human body? Liver is the correct option. Liver is organ and also it works as a gland as well. तो लार्जेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट, लॉन्गेस्ट, टालेस्ट ये क्वेश्चंस आपको पता होने चाहिए, ये आप याद कर लें, ये ज़रूर आते हैं. A person of which of the following blood group is called universal donor? इसका आंसर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं. वो कौन सा ऐसा ब्लड ग्रुप है जो कि यूनिवर्सल डोनर है, वो किसी को भी दे सकता है. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Option C, pituitary gland is the correct option. Which of the following have maximum calorific values? Option B, fats is the correct option. The average heartbeat per minute in a normal man is 70 is the correct option. Malaria is the disease which affects the option C, spleen is the correct option. Which of the following disease is caused by virus? Option A, smallpox is the correct option. Medulla oblongata is the part of human brain. Myopia is the disease connected with eyes. Option B is the correct option. Leukemia is the disease of blood. It is the disease when white blood cells excessive in the blood. Short-sightedness can be corrected by using which lens? Concave lens. Option B is the correct option. ECG is used for the diagnosis of elements of. ECG हम किस पार्ट के लिए करवाते हैं? इसका आंसर ब्रेन, हार्ट, किडनी या लंग्स. आप बताएं कमेंट सेक्शन में ECG किस चीज़ की होती है. Dialysis is used for the treatment of kidney failure is the correct option. The most important stimulant in tea leaves is caffeine is the correct option. Dolly is the name of first cloned sheep. Option A is the correct option. When a person enters a dark room from bright light, he is not able to see clearly for a little while because the iris is unable to dilate the pupil immediately. ये ऐसा हमारे साथ ऐसा होता है जब हम रोशनी से गुजर के अंधेरे में आते हैं तो हम कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए सही तरह से देख नहीं पाते. क्यों? क्योंकि आइरिस इज अनएबल टू डायलेट द प्यूपिल इमीडिएटली. आइरिस और प्यूपिल ये फंक्शंस आईज के होते हैं. ये आईज के पार्ट्स के नेम से ये आप आईज के फंक्शनैलिटीज और आईज का चैप्टर ज़रूर पढ़ें. What is the average adult pulse rate is 72 to 80 is the correct option. The beautiful color pattern exhibited by a peacock in its tail feathers are due to interference of the light. Option C is the correct option. A lake starts freezing because of the cold atmosphere. It will first freeze at the top surface. ऊपर surface से पहले वो freeze होगी. Option C is the correct option. The sun appears red at sunrise and sunset while it appears white at noon because of scattering of light due to dust particles and air molecules. People living in high altitudes like mountain usually have larger number of red blood cells in their body. Option B is the correct option. Copper is used in the production of electric wire is the correct option. The blue color of the clear sky is due to dispersion of the light. Option D is the correct option. All matter is made up of atoms is the correct option. What are considered the building blocks of matter? Atoms again is the right option. What are the three subatomic particles of an atom? Proton, neutron and electron are the subatomic particles of the atom. ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि प्रोटॉन्स के पास कौन सी चार्ज होती है? पॉजिटिव. न्यूट्रॉन इज अ न्यूट्रल हैविंग नो चार्ज और इलेक्ट्रॉन के पास नेगेटिव चार्ज होती है. और प्रोटॉन एटम के कौन से पार्ट में होते हैं? न्यूट्रॉन कौन से पार्ट में होते हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन से पार्ट में होते हैं? तो प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन आर प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम and electron is present in outermost shell of the outer shell of the atom. SI unit of time is second. A device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called generator. Option D is the correct option. Orange belong to which family? ACI is the correct option. Vertebral column in human being consisting of how many vertebrae? 33 is the correct option. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A is the correct option and option B Ag is the chemical symbol for silver. Option C and D are incorrect options. Which blood cells helps in clotting? Option C platelets are the correct option. What planet is known as morning star? Option C, Venus is the correct option. What is the unit of electrical resistance? Option D, ohm is the correct option. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Option B, mercury is the correct option, and mercury is the only metal that is liquid in liquid form. Which part of human eye control the amount of light entering it? Option B, iris is the correct option. Which organ is affected by hepatitis? ऑप्शन सी लिवर इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो ये हमारे 100 MCQs थे. अगर आपको ऐसे और MCQs चाहिए तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर दिस यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक यू.